Welcome back to my channel Vehicle Buzz. Today we're diving into an exciting new entrant in the electric SUV segment, the all-new 2025 BYD Leopard 3 EV SUV. This compact electric SUV is part of BYD's aggressive push into the global EV market, and it's loaded with features, design upgrades, and performance enhancements that make it a standout in its category. Let's begin with the design. The exterior of the 2025 BYD Leopard 3 carries a bold and athletic stance that immediately grabs attention. At the front, it features a sharp LED headlamp setup with a futuristic signature light pattern. The grille is closed off, typical of EVs but sculpted to look aggressive and sporty. The front bumper gets angular air intakes, not just for styling, but also to enhance aerodynamics. The sides reveal strong character lines, flush door handles, and large alloy wheels, likely in the 19 to 20-inch range depending on the variant. The rear is equally striking, featuring a full-width LED light bar, a roof spoiler, and a sculpted tailgate that reinforces its modern, urban look. Inside, the Leopard 3 takes a minimal yet premium approach. The cabin is dominated by a large, rotating touchscreen infotainment system, likely around 15.6 inches. Running BYD's latest D-Link system. The interface is intuitive and packed with smart features including navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The digital driver display complements the main screen, giving essential driving data in a crisp and clear layout. The materials used inside feel upscale, with soft-touch plastics, vegan leather upholstery, and brushed aluminum accents. The ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury, and the panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of space. In terms of practicality, the Leopard 3 offers generous cabin space for a compact SUV, with ample legroom and headroom in both rows. The rear seats are foldable, providing increased cargo capacity for those longer trips or grocery hauls. It also features multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BYD Leopard 3 doesn't disappoint. It's expected to be powered by BYD's advanced Blade battery technology, known for its safety, durability, and energy density. There are likely to be multiple variants including single-motor and dual-motor AWD options. The standard rear-wheel drive version is estimated to deliver around 204 horsepower, while the dual-motor setup could push the output to nearly 300 horsepower. The instant torque typical of electric vehicles makes for quick acceleration, with the AWD version potentially hitting 0 to 100 km/h in under 6 seconds. Driving dynamics are tuned for comfort and efficiency, with a suspension setup designed to absorb urban road imperfections while still offering confident highway stability. BYD has also included multiple drive modes to suit different conditions: Eco, Normal, Sport, and Snow. Regenerative braking is adjustable, allowing drivers to choose between a coasting feel and one-pedal driving. As for range, the BYD Leopard 3 is expected to offer between 450 to 520 kilometers on a full charge, depending on the battery configuration. Fast charging is supported, with the ability to go from 30% to 80% in under 30 minutes at a high-speed DC charger. This makes it a practical option not just for city drives but also for longer road trips. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 BYD Leopard 3 is positioned to be highly competitive. In the Chinese market, it's expected to start around $160,000 to $200,000, which roughly converts to between $22,000 and $28,000 USD. Given BYD's recent push into international markets, we might see slightly different pricing depending on regional taxes and import duties, but it will still be one of the most value-packed EVs in its class. So that's the 2025 BYD Leopard 3 EV SUV. Stylish on the outside, futuristic on the inside, and packed with performance and tech that rivals some of the best in the game. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new electric beast, and whether it's got what it takes to shake up the global EV SUV market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Buzz for more car reviews and auto updates.